For some, it's just simply a product. And for others, it's innovation.
It's all down to the base materials we use. We manufacture from a mild steel, stainless steel, solid brass or solid bronze. So it's all very high quality and good metal.
So it was in 2015 when we released our first 3 designs of the pendant lighting range. When they were first released, they were available in either a solid brass, a copper or a nickel.
And with the lighting specifically, we either powder coat them in a range of different colours that we offer, and we offer off-the-shelf colours in our range, but also we do bespoke colours as well, sort of matching other interior products in a home or renovation project. And then also, as you say, we offer a one light's the same.
In 2022, we then went through a rebrand of our colour collections, which saw the introduction of our newest 12 colourways, which pay tribute to our Welsh landscape. So for example, the Elan Black range, that references the Elan Valley reservoirs.
You know, I like to use a phrase of happiness, success and development. It is a family-run business. It's myself, my sister, my mum and my dad are all the only shareholders from the Anvil. I try and maintain the family feel to it as we grow, really. So I'd like to think that we're still very much a family feel. And I'm really passionate about making sure that we continue that feel as we continue to grow and to continue to add to our team of people. So yeah, it's important to me, and I think it's important to everybody that works here, really.